Hey everyone, I'm Autumn Lemmer. I'm a 4-H assistant in Washington County. Today I'm going to show you how to make butter at home. All right, so I'm going to share my screen so you can see the recipe of everything that we'll need to make butter at home. So we'll need heavy whipping cream, a mason jar with a lid. We'll need salt, a small bowl, a spoon and a knife, a strainer and bowl, and then crackers or bread or anything that you want to taste your butter with. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, you can let your heavy whipping cream come to room temperature or close to room temperature. This will help so we won't have to shake as much to make our butter. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill this small mason jar about half full with our heavy whipping cream. And it doesn't have to be quite half, just depends on how much you wanna make. So about a third or half full of our heavy whipping cream. And then we're gonna make sure that we get the lid on nice and tight. Okay, and so now all we're gonna do is we're gonna shake. We're gonna shake our jar. We have to shake it pretty consistently. We have to shake it really hard. We're just gonna keep shaking until we start to see a lump forming. All right, I've been shaking for about 8 or 9 minutes, and you'll see that it has started to separate from the outside of the jar. Okay, so this is gonna happen. We're gonna keep shaking. It's gonna form a ball. But when you see this, you know you're getting really close, so that should be motivation to keep shaking. All right, I've been shaking for about 2 more minutes, and you'll see that this has definitely started to separate. And it looks like there's a big blob in there. Okay, we're gonna keep shaking. You can see inside that there's a nice ball that has formed. So what we're gonna do is we have a bowl, okay? We have a strainer. If you have a mesh wire strainer like this, it'll work really well. But if you don't, another strainer, a regular strainer will work just as well. So we're gonna carefully take our lid off. And then we are going to dump our mixture in here. So we're draining off the buttermilk. Okay, and so we're left with kind of a glob here. Okay, and so in our instructions, it's optional. You can rinse this with really, really cold water. That'll help make it last longer in your fridge. But for today, we're gonna kind of smash that buttermilk so we can drain that really, really well. And then what we'll do is we'll just take our spoon, we'll put it into our bowl. All right, so this is our finished product.